everyone, it's Anna from PNW Blanks and Sublimation, and today I'm going to show you how to do a wine tumbler in the PNW Signature Press. So I have the target temperature set to 330 degrees, the printing temperature at 340 degrees, and the timer set for 30 seconds. For the design, you want to make sure that it's no bigger than 2.5 inches. And this is because the cup starts to curve and you want to make sure that the design doesn't go past that so the printing doesn't fade. So we will put the tumbler in. And press. And then the press will heat up to the target temperature, and then once it reaches the printing temperature, it will start to count down. All right, so once it hits 340, it'll start to count down. I have this press is set up for the tapered attachment. I'm using the 17-ounce latte mug attachment, and that's just because of the shape of the wine tumbler. It's recommended to use any tapered attachment rather than the standard 11 to 15-ounce attachment or the 20-ounce skinny tumbler attachment. We have 1 second to go here. Open that up. And the great thing about using a press over an oven is not only do you have to not deal with shrink wrap, but you can peek under your design. Carefully remove the tape with your fingernail and peek just to make sure that it looks great, and it does. So we're going to peel that whole thing off and look at that. Drink happy thoughts with a cute little koala bear.